What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling program. The market fell a little bit this week. There were a couple big earnings releases, and overall, the market had an amazing pop up last week, and this week was just a pullback. There has been a lot of volatility in the market over the past year and the past couple of weeks especially, and that volatility will not slow down anytime soon as we have other key economic events happening in the short-term future as well as the midterms. So volatility is definitely here to stay, and a lot of stocks are still at low levels. So with that being said, let's get right into this week's recap. Starting out with the swing plays, there have been no new updates this week. What was pretty nice and what is good to look at is the KWEB play that was initially a loss on the gap down last Monday ended up popping back up, so that's awesome. This ETF is extremely volatile, so that's why when it initially gapped down on Monday the 24th, I only sold half of it because I thought there was a good chance of a pop up coming, and that's exactly what we saw. I'm still looking to hold this one for the next couple weeks, and it's nice to see that it's finally showing some good upwards potential. Getting into the bot plays for this week, the bot had, I would say, a pretty good week overall. Not every single play worked out. The Intel play on Friday was kind of a dud, and then the play on Monday with Baba, it wasn't bad, it was just okay. It popped for around 10%, so again, nothing crazy, but it was pretty easy to follow. The Tuesday play did great with Meta, that popped for 37.5%. The Wednesday play with GLD popped for 93.4%. And then the Thursday play with Baba popped for 112%. So at the end of the day, I would say it's a pretty good week. Like I said, the Intel play didn't really work out. The Baba play on Monday was kind of slow. But besides that, all of the other plays were home runs. So that's awesome. The bot's been doing an absolutely great job. And I think it'll continue to do great with the volatility we have coming up in the short-term future. Looking at the theta plays from this week, if you guys don't short put options, I would highly recommend at least looking into the strategy. When you have stocks at the levels they are currently at, and with implied volatility levels that we're currently seeing in the market, it would be foolish not to at least look at shorting put options. Shorting put options is, in my opinion, the best strategy out there. You literally sell to open a put option, and for doing that, as long as you're doing it on a stock you wouldn't mind owning for the long term, you will literally get paid to buy shares of that stock at the price you choose. It's literally the best strategy out there, in my opinion, when you do it the right way. One key point to doing it the right way is only doing it on stocks you wouldn't mind owning for the long term. I definitely recommend getting into the short put option strategy. There are new short puts posted every single day in the premium selling channel. And if you need any help with shorting put options, feel free to tag Tom, Hunter, or myself in the StockedUp Discord, and we will definitely help you out. Besides that, the market's been very volatile over the past week, and it's definitely not going to slow down anytime soon, and that's not a bad thing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great weekend.